What's up, everyone? Thank you for trucking with G. I'm Gilbert, and today I'm taking truck 02 to my mechanic so he could do a 90-day inspection, get grease, brake adjustment, and an oil change. Let's go. Take my trucks to RMZ Fleet Services in Fontana, located at 9898 Carib Avenue, Fontana, California. If you guys are close by and you need work done on your trucks, take it to Victor. He'll take care of you. It's Victor, which is the owner, and then Vicente, head mechanic, and then Eduardo, which is his other mechanic. I've been going to them ever since I bought my first truck in August of 2020. Anytime I need work done on my truck, I usually shop around, see how much it's gonna cost with other mechanics, and Victor usually ends up being a little bit cheaper. So I go to him not only because it's cheaper, but he'll tell you straight up what's wrong with your truck, what's going on, how you can fix it, if he recommends you do it right away, or if you could wait a little while. How much longer do you have until you have to absolutely change that part? To tell you like it is, to tell you what's wrong. He'll take off the old part, he'll show it to you, he'll compare it to the new part. He is completely transparent. He won't hide nothing from you, and he won't lie to you about nothing. So if you're in the area, if you need work done on your truck, take it to RMZ Fleet Services in Fontana. There, getting my maintenance done on a Saturday. Today's Saturday, August 12th, 2023. I usually try to get here right at 8 o'clock so that hopefully I could be the first truck that gets here, and then I could be in and out. It's 8:12 right now. I woke up a little late today, and luckily there's no trucks here yet. They got 3 bays right here. I'm going into bay number 3. That's the homie Eduardo right here. He's the one that does most of the work. What up, bro?
How you doing?
Good, you?
Haven't seen you in
Oh shit. Yeah. Hey, why'd you put the wood? I'm not getting no oil change.
Oh, that's what I was trying to ask you.
Nah, I'm playing. I'm getting no oil change. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, guys?
90-day inspection, oil change, brake adjustment, and grease.
Yes, sir.
Where Victor at? Oh, okay.
I think so, you know?
Yeah. What's up, Vicente? Good, you? Welcome to the best mechanic shop in Southern California, RMZ Fleet Services. If you're in the area, come and get your work done here. You need work on your truck, you need an oil change, you need some repairs, take it right here. RMZ Fleet Services, Fontana, California. Got a pretty good sized yard right here. If you got a trailer, usually you could just park it right there, or they'll just have you stay connected to it. The homie Eduardo right here putting the grease on the 5th wheel. Then we got the lead mechanic, Vicente. What's up, Vicente? Say what's up to YouTube.
Hi.
When Victor's gone, you're the man in charge, right?
Yeah.
That's right. We got the oil draining already. Looks like it's already done being drained out. Getting that grease. Eduardo doing the inspection.
What's up, guys?
How's it looking, Eduardo?
It's looking pretty nice. Nice and clean.
Nice and clean, sweet. No air leaks,
No.
no oil leaks. That's always good news. I'm gonna call Victor, the owner, introduce you guys.
Castro.
What's up, Victor? How's it going, man? How you doing?
It's going.
That's right. Right here doing a video on YouTube, man. Introduce yourself.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Victor with RMC Fleet Services, a shop in Fontana, California.
That's right. The best freaking shop over in Southern California. You guys want to get work done on your truck, oil change, repairs, anything? Bring it right here. RMZ Fleet Services.
Yes, we'll take care of your fleet.
That's right. All right then, Victor, man. Hopefully I'll see you again next time I come.
All right, everybody. If you guys are slow, we're slow. If you guys are busy, we're busy. God bless you guys all.
Yes, sir. God bless you guys. All right then, brother. Well, you have a good weekend and stay up, bro.
Thank you. Everybody too.
All right, bye. Pumping it full of oil. How many gallons of oil?
11 gallons.
11 gallons. While he's doing that, I'm doing this. Try and get some work done. Edit some more videos. I got like 3 videos that I gotta edit and then upload. All right, now he wants me to turn on the engine. Now he's checking all the lights for the 90-day inspection.
Okay, stop the engine. Please. Release the bulb, the yellow one. Okay, push your brake all the way down and hold it.
Now he's checking my brakes.
Hot wiper. Release it.
Oh,
Wipers.
shit.
Push your brake. Pump it up. Okay, good. Okay, started down the engine, went up the air pressure to 120 and release or adjust your brakes, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead.
Can you give me your miles, bro?
Miles 551 531.
551, 531.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. It's getting hot.
Okay, stop the engine. Release the brakes.
Up. Finish this up later. They are almost done.
Can you try your air and city one, bro?
Turn it on.
Perfect. Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.
When you get stopped in the DOT, inspect all that too?
Sometimes they do, yeah. For sure, they always check the air valve. Like you gotta keep on pushing the brake and they make sure it pops.
Like the one we always test, right?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Yep. And then they always like listen for air leaks. They have like something in their ears. Is like they have the doors closed so you can't hear anything. And then they just like go around the whole truck. They go underneath. They roll under it, and they're just listening the whole time for any air leaks.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Do you mind signing this one for me, bro?
Yeah.
In the very bottom, it says customer signature. Let's start writing out your invoice right now, bro.
All right, for sure.
Just was filling out your inspection first.
Cool.
I'll see you in the office right now, Castro.
All right.
I got your receipt ready.
So they want me to back out, move out the way because they got another truck coming for an oil change. And then I'll go sign my paperwork and be out. First thing I do is get me a freaking new GoPro, man. This thing freaking sucks, man.
It would be like, you know what? I
know.
need it.
Yeah, I'm like, I need it now. I don't want to wait, man. I'm impatient.
Hey, yeah, I'm pretty impatient. I thought that was funny because I was a pretty impatient person. I'm like, if I need it, I'm gonna get it. And then usually my sister is usually different. She's very like, but do you need it now?
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I stopped
like,
there.
can
and
you
then
wait?
I think about
Yeah.
it, and I'm like,
yeah.
you know what? You're right.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. Sometimes I can stop. I can wait.
All right, we all done. We just got the full service, oil change, brake adjustment, grease, 90-day inspection. Just got all my receipts, got my stickers so I could be reminded next time I gotta come in the next 12,000 miles. So yeah, they did some good work, always. Thanks to Eduardo.
Have a great one, bro.
Yeah, thank you so much, bro.
Much welcome.
Yeah.
See you next time, bro.
Yeah, for sure. All right, Vicente. Thank you so much, man.
Okay, take care, man.
All right, see you next time. All right, brother.
Have a good one, man.
You too, bro. Take out this old sticker. Put the new one. Because if I don't have this sticker, then I'll forget to do my oil change. So I was supposed to get my oil change at 549, 400. But I waited till 551, 531. And the next time I gotta come back is 563, 531. 12,000 more miles. But they said it's all right if you stretch it out to like 15,000 miles. Put that right there so I don't forget next time I need it. And then I'll get the other sticker for the outside of the truck. All right. Maintenance is done. Now we can roll out. So like I said before, you need work done on your semi truck and you're in the Fontana area, come right here. RMZ Fleet Services, they'll take care of you. All right then, well, if you like this video, remember to smash that like button, share, comment, subscribe. Remember to hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And you want to help this channel out, check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description below. All right, see you on the next one.